signers! Have you tried to learn the ASL alphabet and felt like it's taking too long? Well, give me till the end of this video and you'll have it down. Before we start, hit that subscribe button so you can get a weekly dose of ASL to see your skills improve every week. Now, let's learn how to sign the alphabet. Okay, it's time to sign with me. Here are some tips to get your hands ready. Number 1, use your dominant hand in a slightly bent position. Not out, not in. Right here. Number 2, don't bounce up and down or in and out. That's really hard for the other person to see what your hands are actually doing. Number 3, practice producing the finger spelling clearly. It's all about clarity, not speed. We are going to break the alphabet down into 4 sections. Here we go. A through F. A. A. See my hand like this? The thumb is to the side, fingers are in front. If you look at the A and it's like it's on its side, I almost think it looks like an apple. A. B. B. 4 fingers together, thumb in front. B. C. C. It looks like a C. The shape right there. C. D. D. Your index finger is pointing up and the rest of your fingers are making a circle, looking like the shape of the letter D. D. E. E. Notice that I'm not pulling my fingers apart like this. I'm relaxing my fingers on top of my thumb. E. F. F. Your index finger and your thumb are together with your last 3 fingers up. It looks like okie dokie. F. Now, let's practice A through F. A, B, C, D, E, F. Now, let's turn our voices off. One more time, but we'll go a little faster. How'd we do? If you need practice on any of these letters, go back to it and practice again. Now, G through L. G. G. It's your index finger and your thumb pointed out, and your hand is on its side. G. H. H. Your index finger and your middle finger are straight out. H. I. I. It's your pinky finger making the shape of a letter I. I. J. J. You're making a J in the air. J. K. K. Put your 2 fingers together, split them apart, put that middle finger forward and your index finger back, then your thumb in between. K. L. L. It looks like the capital letter L. L. Now let's review. G, H, I, J, K, L. Now let's do it with our voice off. Now, one more time, but a little bit faster. Now in this next section, you're going to learn M through S. M. M. I like to think of the cursive letter M. 3 humps, 3 fingers. M. N. N. I also like to think of the cursive letter N. 2 humps, 2 fingers. N. O. O. You're making the shape of an O. O. P. P. Remember that K that we had before? It's just upside down. P. Q. Q. Remember that G that we did before? Put it facing down. Q. R. R. Your 2 fingers are twisted around each other. The back is the middle finger and the index is the front finger. R. S. S. Your thumb is in front. Note that it's not to the side like the A. The thumb goes in front. S. Okay, let's review. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. All right, now voice off. All right, a little bit faster. Now to our last section. We are going to be doing letters T through Z. T. T. The thumb is right in between your index finger and your middle finger. T. U. 2 fingers close together. U. V. V. Making the shape of a V. V. W. W. Making the shape of a W. W. X. X. A lot of people want this to be R, but the X actually has a trick with it. Think of Captain Hook, a pirate, and X marks the spot. X. Y. Y. Your pinky and your thumb sticking out. Kind of looks like a Y. Y. Z. Z. Swish across. I like to think of swish like Zorro. Z. Let's practice these. T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, are you ready to do it voice off? Here we go. A little bit faster. Now let's practice it from beginning to end. Are you ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, let's do it one more time, but with our voice. Awesome! This is for those of you who are up for a challenge. Let's fingerspell it a little faster. After this video, you might want to practice with both hands. You might be thinking, Meredith, you said to practice with my dominant hand. Well, there could be times that you have to use your non-dominant hand, so practicing will strengthen your ability on your non-dominant hand. Are you ready for a few quizzes? This first one, I'm going to sign 4 letters, and I want you to answer what letter I sign. Here we go. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. The answers were F-A-S-T. Fast. You're learning this incredibly fast. All right, now it's your turn. I'm going to give you 4 letters for you to sign. Number 1, D. D. Number 2, O. O. Number 3, N. N. Number 4, E. E. All right, let's see how you did. D, O, N, E. What did that spell? Done. You're done. Yes, that's right. You're done. Done. Now it's time to put these to practice with fingerspelling words. This fingerspelling playlist is the best place to start. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.